How to properly do a dumbbell step-up using a weighted bench. 1. Equipment, a pair of dumbbells, plus a stable weighted bench, about knee height. 2. Hold the dumbbells at your sides with arms straight, palms facing in, neutral grip. 3. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart, facing the bench. Step-up movement. 1. Place one foot, e.g. right foot, firmly on the center of the bench. 2. Engage your core and keep your chest upright. 3. Drive through your front. Heel, right heel, and push yourself up onto the bench. 4. Bring your left foot up to meet the right foot at the top. Control the motion. Don't hop. 5. Pause briefly at the top for balance and glute activation. Step down. 1. Step down with your left foot first. 2. Then bring your right foot down to return to the starting position. 3. Repeat on the same leg for reps, or alternate legs. Beginner, 2-3 sets of 8-10 reps per leg. Intermediate, advanced, 3-4 sets of 10-12 reps per leg. Keep your torso upright. Avoid leaning forward too much. Don't push off with your back foot. The front leg should do most of the work. Keep your knees aligned with your toes. No caving in. Start with light dumbbells to master control and balance. Please check my next video.